Hello guys, in this video thank you once again. So I will show you the best AI models, like getting the best trending AI models for usage with the development research, for the sketching, for also thinking wise. So I will give you a website that can let you know all about the updates and the trend and the leaderboard of the best AI models. All what you need to do is just go Kilo AI leaderboard, and you will find here the if you don't find the website, I can just copy paste this link. I will just make it in the YouTube description. And here guys, you will find the architecture, the ask, the code, the debug, and the orchestrator, which is you can giving you the best models so far so good till now. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.